Welcome back to One Hot Bite. Melissa here, where healthy doesn't have to be boring, and I'm going to show you that exactly today. Welcome back and Happy New Year. I am so excited for this new year. You guys have all set new goals, and I'm here to help you accomplish those goals, or at least give you options so that you can accomplish the goals that you want. So we're going to tackle a few different things. Thank you again for those of you that stayed with me through my series in December. We had a great time with those. We're going to tackle some new things this month, but the first thing we're going to talk about is nutrition. So we're going to make a morning elixir, double apple, and what I mean by double apple is it has apple cider vinegar, and we have actually apple in it. So first off, apples are really good for us, and they're really high in fiber, and they taste good. They're naturally sweet, so that's a benefit right there. The other thing we're going to talk about today is apple cider vinegar. If you haven't heard or don't know the claims of apple cider vinegar, it is super healthy for you. It helps in lowering blood sugar, it helps in lowering cholesterol, and it also aids in weight loss. So it's a great thing to drink every morning, according to the health experts. But before we get any further, please subscribe down below, smash that like button. I'm so happy to have you guys here, and let's make this delicious drink. We are also going to tackle another recipe at the end of this video where I'm going to kind of play on a lot of things that people are doing in this coming year. A lot of people are trying to go carb free, low carb. I don't want to talk about the diets that are out there. I'm just going to tackle that subject right there. So we're going to make a low carb, actually no carb breakfast, and we're going to make our smoothie, we're going to make our breakfast, and let's get started. To our blender, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of cilantro. You can use parsley as well. Both have incredible health benefits. And this is a half a cup of water. And this is 1 teaspoon of honey. Nice natural sugar here. Here comes our apple cider vinegar, and this is just 2 tablespoons. You want the unfiltered kind that has the mother in it. We're going to chop up this entire green apple. Once we have this all chopped up, we're going to add it to our blender as well. So you don't have to be crazy about how it's going to be chopped. We're just going to get it nice and available for our blender. As soon as we have all of these ingredients, which isn't very many as you can see, we're going to add it to our blender as well. We're going to do a quick spritz on that, and we are going to strain it over a wonderful cup of ice here. So fill your cup with ice, and I just have a small strainer here. We want all of the pulp out is the goal here. So we're going to pour it into our strainer, and then you can take a spatula or a spoon and press. There is a lot of liquid still left in. We want to press all of that liquid out because there's quite a bit. And you are done. Well, good morning. Let's go ahead and give this a try. It's so good. Apple cider vinegar is there. You're definitely going to taste it. But the apple and the honey set it off. If you don't want to have any sugar in it, go ahead and don't use the honey because honestly, it's just fine. If you like fruit, it's just fine all by itself. So cheers. But now we need to make breakfast, so let's get cooking. Again, today I'm focusing low carb, no carb. So those of you that are interested in that, this is going to be your best breakfast ever. So it's going to come together really quick. We have only 8 ingredients, and salt and pepper are 2 of those, so I don't really count those. We're going to whip these together. These are ham and cheese breakfast roll-ups. We need to put our wet ingredients together first. So this is for 1 serving. I have 2 whole eggs. I'm going to crack in here. We are going to add, it's about a tablespoon of milk. You can use fat-free milk or whole milk, and that is a tablespoon of fresh chives. Whisk that all together. We're going to heat a pan over medium heat. I'm going to melt about a teaspoon of butter in here. As soon as it gets mixed in, we're going to make sure it covers the entire surface of this pan. We want the eggs to be nice and thin. So I'm going to pour that mixture over here. Again, you want to add salt and pepper to taste to this. So that is up to you. The ham is kind of salty, so you may not need very much. Let this cook about 2 minutes, or until you start seeing the edges set. We're going to add about a half a cup of sharp cheddar cheese. Cover it, Let it cook 2 minutes. Let that cheese melt. We're going to add 2 slices of ham over the top of this, and you can do turkey or chicken or roast beef, anything you want on this, or you could even put bacon in here. We're going to carefully roll it up into a nice tight roll. That is beautiful. Let's cut it open and see what we have inside. Nice ooey gooey cheese. Looks fabulous. So I want to say Happy New Year to you. Let's make this year incredible. Set your goals. Happy, healthy mindset. Let's have a sip. I still really think that's good. Let's have a bite. There you go. Carb-free eating right here. Delicious and filling. I will see you guys next week.